Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through downtown Kingston. Downtown is probably the most populated part of Kingston. It has a lot of communities and it's a very large area. But we're driving on North Street now, heading towards the harbor. On the left is a tax administration Jamaica building, and then this blue building now in front on the left is the Gleaner. The Gleaner has been in Jamaica for probably 300 years, so you can imagine how old this building is. This is the head office where they do all the printing, editing, everything happens over here. Okay, if we continue straight, we would go on to East Street, but if we turn left, we go on to North Street. So I think we'll go left and keep on North Street. This is the entrance to the Gleaner office. Now there are two very popular schools on North Street, St. George's College and Kingston College. So anytime they play football, they always say it's a battle on North Street. But they are very prestigious schools and with a long history, academic and sports history. Back in the day, Kingston was a very vibrant place with a lot of middle-income neighborhoods, and it was today it's not as vibrant. A lot of communities have become inner city communities, and a lot of gangs and violence in certain parts, not these parts, but there are certain parts that are referred to as inner city communities that could use a lot of assistance. Okay, this is the entrance to St. George's College. We're going to turn in, but we won't bother. And that purple building straight ahead, that's Kingston College. On the left coming up is a very popular church. St. George's is a Catholic school, so this is the church that goes with the school. I think it's the St. George's Cathedral is the name. Okay, on the right, that's the entrance to Kingston College. A lot of the schools in Jamaica are associated with churches. That's how they got started. Like this school on the left was started by the Catholic Church, or the Roman Catholic Church. Okay, the name of the church is the Cathedral of the Most Holy Trinity. They started the St. George's School, so that's why the church is right next to the school. A lot of schools have that same history. Like, top two schools in Jamaica, Campion College and Immaculate Conception High School, were both started by churches, the Roman Catholic Church. Okay, straight ahead is the Holy Trinity High School, and as you can see, it's a Roman Catholic educational institution. So I guess this church started two schools, which is very good. Okay, straight ahead is Kingston College. So you can see how close these two schools are. So that's why they say the battle on North Street is between these two schools. And when I say battle, I don't mean violence. So it's like a football competition or academics, like Schools Challenge Quiz. Okay, now on the right, we just passed the Anglican Church. So the Anglican Church is the church that started Kingston College. Alright, straight ahead now is Camp Road. This road is most famous for Up Park Camp, which is the main base of the Jamaica Defense Force. We'll drive by there in another video. Okay, on the left, that blue and pink building is the post office of Jamaica. This is the central post office, or the head office, where all the processing of mail is done and then sent out to the feeder post offices for people to collect. Okay, this intersection is, and if we turn left, we go on to Windward Road. If we turn right, we will go on to East Queen Street. But we're going to go straight and continue on Camp Road. We're heading towards the harbor or towards Port Royal Street or Ocean Boulevard. This area is also known as Central Kingston. Kingston is divided into Central Kingston, East Kingston, West Kingston for political reasons. Each area has its own member of parliament. And when you have West Kingston, which is JLP, and then you have across the road another area, Kingston, which is PNP, has had led to a lot of violence in the past because people are aligned to each political party, but I don't think they have that kind of violence associated with politics anymore. On the left is a housing scheme. Not sure what the name is, but you can see from the way it was built, it was built by the NHT. And the NHT has really built a lot of communities in Jamaica. It's one of the better run government institutions, and it has done a lot of good for the people of Jamaica. Okay, this intersection now, on the left, on the right is Harbour Street. And we are on Camp Road. So this intersection is between Harbour Street, but Harbour Street is a one-way, so we can't turn right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.